Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking a video tour of our Land Rover Freelander 2. So this is our Freelander 2. It's a 2007 reg. It's only covered just shy of 84,000 miles from new. Whilst in our care, we're giving it a service, fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Tyres are all in good condition. Alloys look reasonable for the age. The odd little mark on it, but for a 2007 car, we'd say it's certainly all right. Inside, really good condition. The half leather seats with the blue inserts. You've also got the Alpine sound system in. Air conditioning, 4 driving modes. It's the automatic gearbox. Steering wheel controls, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, aux input. Loads of nice features in there. Folding mirrors too, electric windows all round. In the rear, plenty of rear leg room. And in the boot, very, very practical. Loads of room in there, even more when you fold the seats down. You've also got the boot load cover. Very, very nice. All in all, a nice low mileage car for the age. Really good condition. No problems at all. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.